In this video I'm going to show you how to apply a background to all slides or pages in Canva. As you can see, I've created a page with a background color, and what we need to do now is go to this interface on the right side and select Grid View. Select Grid View, then right click on the design with the background color, and then we will select Copy Page Style. Select that option. Now what you can do is select all in this menu or just drag over it holding your left mouse button, and then we will select everything. So right click again on it and then click on Paste Page Style, and now the background color is applied on all your pages. So if I open the page, then you will see that this background color is applied on all the pages. And this is how you apply a background to all slides or pages in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!